In this video, I'll show you how to scrape job listings from Dice.com automatically using Apify. We'll extract data like job titles, company names, locations, salaries, and job descriptions from Dice search results. The whole process only takes a couple of minutes. First, go to Dice.com. In the search bar, type in the role you're looking for. For this example, let's search for Senior Front-End Developer. You can set any location you want, but for this example, we will use Texas. Set the location to Texas and hit search. Now go to Apify and search for Dice.com Job Scraper. Open the actor page. In the input field, set the search keyword to Senior Front-End Developer and the location to Texas. You can also set the maximum number of items to scrape. Let's set it to 100. Then click Start. The actor will automatically scrape the job listings from Dice.com based on your search criteria. Once the run finishes, open the dataset to see the results. Each record contains a job title, company name, location, salary range, posted date, and job description. You can export the dataset as CSV, JSON, or Excel. Use this data for job market research, competitor hiring analysis, talent sourcing, or building your own job aggregator. The link to the actor is in the video description. Thanks for watching.